Subject is English of Standard 3rd and the title of the poem is I'd Like to Be a Lighthouse. Students, the poet tells his wish about becoming a lighthouse. Students, first we will understand the meaning of the lighthouse. Okay? Students, this is a lighthouse. Lighthouse is a tower or a tall structure on the seashore. Okay? This is your textbook page. Poem number 40. I'd like to be a lighthouse. It has 8 lines, means it is divided into 2 stanzas of 4 lines each. Okay? like to be a lighthouse. I'd like to be a lighthouse, all scrubbed and painted white. I'd like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night. Yes, students, the poet says that he would like to be a lighthouse, okay, which is scrubbed and painted white, and it awakes all night, means it never sleeps at night. The lighthouse, which is always located at the sea coast, okay, that never sleeps. To keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea. I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. Here, the lighthouse, which is always awaking and which is located at the sea coast, it keeps its eye on everything that comes under its patch, means its surrounding area, and it gives signals. You can see here it is emitting the light, correct? It gives signals to the ships which sails on the sea. It indicates the ships that either there may be a huge rock or maybe a harbor. This is all about the poem Lighthouse. You can see here lighthouse pictures, and it always emits the light, especially at night time, so that the ships sailing, they get the direction and they will come to know that harbor is there or any huge danger is there. Okay. Students, some hard words are there in the poem. We will go through them. Okay. First one, scrub. See, all scrubbed and painted white. Scrub. Scrub means, see, this lady is scrubbing the sink. Okay, scrub means rubbing. Okay, someone or something hard so as to clean them. We clean the bathrooms, toilets or the tiles by scrubbing. Got the point? Got the meaning? Scrubbing means cleaning them, typically with a brush and water. See the picture, it will become clear for you. Okay, got this? Scrub means rubbing hard. Next, awake. See this picture? Awake. In the first picture, the boy is awake, means wake up. To be awake from the sleep. Okay, it is 7 o'clock and he is wake up, means he is awake. But to physically get out of bed means get up. See in the second picture, 7:15, he got up. Awake means no, not sleeping. Got this, students? Not to sleep or stop sleeping, wake from the sleep. Here the lighthouse awakes all night, means it will not sleep. It gives light and it shows the direction to the ship. Correct? Sail. You can see here. This is sailing. Ship is sailing on the water or sailing in the sea. Got this? What we use the word sail. Patch. You know the meaning of patch, correct? See, this is a patch. Means a part of something marked out from the rest by a particular characteristics. See here, that patch you can see on the hand. In ordinary meaning also we use the word patch, correct? Patch to a bag. If it is torn, then we use or we put patch, correct? Next, Here we will go through some information about the lighthouses. Okay. The lighthouse is a tower or tall structure on the seashore. You can see here, this is white in color, correct? And this is very tall structure. See the height, and it is on the seashore. From the lighthouse, big beams of flashes of light are thrown out. Okay, these beams help ships to navigate to find their way across the sea. You can see here in the second picture, here this is a ship, right? This is the ship, and here this is the lighthouse, correct? Lighthouse is giving out the light so that ship comes to know that in which direction it is going. Navigation means finding the direction. Okay, because everywhere water is there, they find everywhere water when they are sailing on the sea. Because of these lighthouses, they come to know that in which direction they are going, and they navigate their ship. The lighthouse tells the ship which is sailing that there is a port nearby. Sometimes it tells that there is a port nearby, or it is safe to go near the port, or that there are dangerous rocks under the sea, etc. Sometimes sea has dangerous rock underground, okay, that will harm the ship. So the lighthouse helps the ship to get the direction, and also it tells that there is a port nearby. Otherwise, also it indicates that there are dangerous rocks. Please go away from that place. Okay, like this it helps. The warning signals of lighthouse are very useful to ships, especially at night. Isn't it? You can see here, in the night everywhere was dark, but this light helps the ships to navigate in proper direction. Modern means of communication. Students, see, in today's age, we can see radio, mobile, the satellite, correct, internet and satellite, isn't it? Here, nowadays, modern means of communications like radio, mobile phone, internet and satellite services are available to ships when they travel through the sea. This is nowadays, okay? Before, lighthouses, they played a very important role in the navigation of the ships. Nowadays, the ships and the aeroplanes, whatever, they have the communication means. Modern communication means they are connected to the internets, or they are connected to the satellites. Right? Students, this is India's oldest lighthouse. See, first lighthouse of India. Built around 640 AD by Pallava king. You have studied about these kings in histories, correct? Pallava king named Mahendra Pallava stands next to this modern structure. Location is Mahabalipuram of Tamil Nadu. Tower shape, that is cylindrical tower with balcony. You can see here. See the height of the man compared to the lighthouse. Year first constructed was in 1887. The light source used was mains power. This is the first lighthouse of India. See children, these are lighthouses of Mumbai. We can see 3 lighthouses near Mumbai in Arabian Sea. Students, this poem has some rhyming pairs. Okay, we will find out them. Here, first line, I'd like to be a lighthouse all scrubbed and painted white. I'd like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night. Here, white, correct? That rhymes with night, isn't it? White, night. Second, to keep my eye on everything that sails my patch of sea, I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. See, yes, me. Okay, we will write them. Write rhyming words from the poem. Which was the first one? White, night. White, night. Correct? Second one was see, me. Isn't it? Only 2 rhyming words, means 2 pairs are there in this poem. Now students, we will recite poem I'd like to be a lighthouse. Okay? I'd like to be a lighthouse all scrubbed and painted white. I'd like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night. To keep my eye on everything that says my patch of sea. I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. Children, once again we will repeat the poem. I'd like to be a lighthouse all scrubbed and painted white. I'd like to be a lighthouse and stay awake all night. To keep my eye on everything that says my patch of sea. I'd like to be a lighthouse with the ships all watching me. Students, we will move to the grammar part, that is contraction. We can see so many contractions in this poem. Okay, contraction means making short. Okay, and expansion means making large. The rubber contracts and expands. Okay, we will see the meaning of the grammar. A contraction is a shortened form of a word or the group of words that omits certain letters or sounds. In most contractions, an apostrophe represents the missing letters. We will go through some of the example, then you will come to know the proper meaning of the contraction. Okay, example. First one, see here. It is a full form and the contracted form is its. See, it apostrophe s. Okay, its. Second one, is not. This is a full form. Nothing is shortened here. Now we will shorten the word is not into isn't. See, O is not there. We have used apostrophe here and T. That is isn't. Okay, is not, shortened form is isn't. Next, do not. Do not. When we shorten this, then it becomes don't. D-O-N apostrophe T. Don't. For the students, this is called contraction form. We will see some more. Full form and contraction form. Okay. See. I would. Full form. I would. Then contraction form is I'd. I'd like to be a lighthouse. Isn't it? That is I'd. I apostrophe D. Next. What is? Come on, guess the contraction form of what is? Yes, what's. What? Apostrophe S. Okay. Next. Who is? Yes, correct. That is whose. Who apostrophe S. Okay. Next. Did not. Did not. It changes to didn't. D-I-D-N apostrophe T. Didn't. Okay. That is the contraction form of did not. Has not. Has not. It becomes hasn't. H-A-S-N apostrophe T. The meaning will remain same, but we use sometimes the contraction form of the word. Will not. It becomes won't. W-O-N apostrophe T. Won't. Got this? Next one is that is. Yes, you are right. That's my mother. That's my book. Correct? Like this, we use the contraction form in some sentences. She will. It becomes she'll. W-I is not there. We have used here apostrophe and double L. She'll. She'll. Okay. Next, he would. It becomes C, he apostrophe D. He'd. And he had. See, give proper attention here. He had. Also, when we contract this form, it becomes he'd. He apostrophe D. According to the sentence, we have to use he would or he had. Okay. According to the sentence and the situation. Next, had not. The contraction form is hadn't. Okay. Next, have not. And the contraction form is haven't. Got this, students? This is about the full form and the contraction form used in English language. Students, one activity is there for you. Read this. If you were to be an object, what would you like to be? This is first question. Then, what would you like to do then? After becoming an object or a person, what would you like to do? Okay. And the third one is write about it in short. Students, you too would like to be something or some other person sometimes, isn't it? Try to write on a paper that what would you like to be and why would you like to be that. Okay, I will give you one example. Some children would like to be mother, correct? Because she has no school, she has no homework, she has no exams, correct? And she stays all day at home and only one work is that to take care of her family and by serving them a fresh food time to time. Isn't it? They think like that about their mother, but real thing is it is not there. Okay, leave that point, that they will come to know later. but we think, means children think sometime and they want to be another object or another person. Correct? Yes, students, you have to write this about in short. Okay. Now students, this is a lighthouse at Kovalam, Kerala. Okay, we will see this. This is lighthouse at Mumbai, Maharashtra.